police one's in. This one on 07. There's a little bit of stone chip marks up there. It's police. Seats aren't worn. No traction control by the look. So he's a baseline. What is he? It looks like he's only 5 speed. I'll check in a second. Step on the side. There's rust coming in the sills. Nothing that won't repair. Key arches are alright. Frame stopper stickers. That's from them cutting around the transfers when they put them on. Back doors are quite tidy, they got glass in. But I do believe it's open. I don't know what that's for. I haven't got a clue. Is it open? No. I haven't got a clue what that is. I haven't got a clue what that is. It's got all the electrics in it. AC controller, so it's the aircon. Right, spare wheels inside there, cage, shelving. So let's shut that door. I've got a Costa coffee in me again. Look. Yeah, power in there. Yeah, just a few rust spots on him. We got a bit of a repair there, bad repair. Most of that's just surface. We got 112. Well, as good as 113,000. Yeah, it's got no traction. They covered up the hole if it is. Oh, it is 6-speed as well. It is a 6-speeder. Interior lights. So let's have a look at the side doors open. We'll have a look at the back end. We'll have a look. Yeah, seats aren't worn at all. I don't know what that's for. Oh, that's the auxiliary battery power. Radio's okay. No code wanted. If you have a trouble with the code, I can get a code for you. Side doors open. Oh, the roller's nice and quiet. Oh, nice bench seating. That's tidy. Yeah, the diesel heater in it. Table. There's a diesel heater in it. I don't know what all that's for. Oh, that's all the control board. I'm guessing that's yeah, it's a generator. That box in the back. That box in the back is a generator because there's the diesel heater controls. More controls. Yeah, let's have a look. See if we can step in. Yeah, it does open. Yeah, he's locked. So I can't tell if there is a generator in there or not. There's a hot water boiler there. I got one very similar to that. Mine's bloody brilliant. Aircon in the roof. Aircon and heating. Which runs off the mains, I should have thought. This is tidy, you know. Yeah. And of course, yeah, I think he is the 4.5 tonner. So there's no badge work on it to say that it is. Yeah, the badge work's gone. Sprinter 09. Oh, the glass is just for it. Again, he's been stood around a while. You can tell by the green on it. A lot of rust along the bottom doors. Lots of it. And in the joints. It's only got 34,000 on the clock. Warranted. Wonder if he's open. No, he's not open. Well, that's tidy. Yeah, 16-inch wheels. So he is a 2.2 van. Is that polycarbonate? And it is very thick polycarbonate as well. But just look at the moss underneath there. He has been stood out a long time, this one. Reversing camera on the roof. It's got a 10-foot awning, 12-foot awning on it. massive tow bar. There's not a lot of rust this side. It has got a diesel heater in, I can see the exhaust hanging out. Right, that's on an 09 anyway. And we got a... I can't remember the registration I was supposed to look at. Got an 06 Sprinter here, so it's the earlier one. Big dent in the passenger door. No, only one driver seat. It is a bus, so they use the front door because there's no sliding doors on it. So it is a bus. In fact, there's two. There's a yellow one on an 06 and a white one on an 06. That one's got front seats and a side door. Right, back to another 07 police transit. Sorry, the camera keeps twisting in the holder for some reason. Keeps coming undone. Yeah. It's polycarbonate windows in the back. What she got on the clock? She's only got 71,000 on the clock. The manuals are down there on the floor. Bulkhead. All the wires are going inside. Yeah, that's quite tidy. Top trays are missing. That is very low mileage for its age. And it's the twin wheeler, so as you imagine this one's a 4.5 tonner as well. Again, there's no sticker in him yet. Side step. Side door. He ain't open. No, he ain't open. But he is set out exactly the same as the other one. Yeah, he's identical inside to the other one. Again, this one's covered in moss. Growing out of there. He's got a bit more rust on that back arch. Mine's gone exactly the same there. Well, going. So, he's got the side step on him. Got a 10-foot awning on this one. So, that's pretty good. A dent in the light there. Also got reversing sensors. Yeah, got a cage in the back. He's locked again. Got a cage in the back, and it looks like he's got the generator case in there as well. So again, we don't know whether the generators are in there. There's the outlet for the exhaust for the heater. So, oh no, that'll be the generator. Yeah, I should have thought that would have been the generator. So we'll get underneath her and have a look. Yeah, there's the air dispatcher. The heater. So, oh yeah, they don't have draft. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Right, got another 07. So there's 3 of them. No, there's 4 of them. This one's got a big awning on it. Just checking through. Seats are nice and tidy. Yeah, this one's open. Yeah, they're all set out the same. Yeah, they're all set out the same. Yeah. Loads of lighting. Even got a clock that doesn't work. Control panel. So they're all set out the same. I'll go round and see if I can find out. Find out if there's a cage. That's good. These are going to sell well. Again, he's got the surface rust, and that's from when they cut the stickers. When they cut the stickers around the edges, they broke the paint, so it's just crept in from around the Stanley knife when they cut the stickers and put them on. Yeah, back doors are good. Actually, I wouldn't mind those doors on the back of my van. They already got glass in. If only she was silver. Let's have a look at the mileage on this one. It hasn't come on. No, it hasn't come on, so I should imagine he's pretty low on the battery. Again, he's 6-speed. So, and they always miss that drinks tray off there because they have their radios and that screwed down on there. Just little bits of surface rust on the sill. Caravan and a couple of campers in this time. And there's this another 07 further back. This one's in worse state. He's got a lot more rust on the sides. Yeah, a lot more there. Yeah, all round that. They never treated it, see, when they cut that hole out. They never treated it. All mines are treated. The back doors are open. So, again, there's this case, I should imagine, is the generator. I should imagine they've left the generators in them. I don't know. Because I can't get into them. They're all bolted down. So, yeah, this one's definitely worse on this side. Let's have a look. This one's only got 95,000 on it, 6-speed. So he's a baseline because he's got no traction control, no aircon, manual windows. So that, yeah, they usually have the baseline, but they normally have the big engine in them. But again, the badges are missing, so I don't know what power they are. It doesn't even say on there. That's the tires. So yeah, tires are pretty good on them all. Yeah. Again, this one's got the warning on the side. A decent van for somebody, that. So they've all got aircon on the roof. They've all got canopies. They've all got that box, so I don't know whether there's generators in them. They've all got diesel eaters. Again, we don't know. I mean, check with Brightwells is the best thing to do. So that's all I can help you with. There's nothing else come in that we know of. It's just a shame this one's so grotty. He's been stood around a long time. Big gouge. This is the Sprinter. Big gouge down that side. Lots of rust in the door. So he had low mileage on him. Yeah. See on board or a thing. Right. Yep. They haven't been cleaned inside. So that's it. That's all that they've put out so far. It is only Thursday, so I just drove past now and I saw them. They've got them out. So I'll leave it.